It's that all older. There we go. Come to me. Come to me. Come to me. Hi guys, it's me Ryan. Welcome back to another video. Guys, after the long wait, finally got our Alienware X15. And I will have the specs for this particular laptop that we purchased in the description below. And without any further ado, let's get this little beast unboxed with our legendary knife. Here. Okay, let's use this to unbox from now on, guys. Let's cut this thing open. Dun, 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 dun. Let's get this thing out. Man, this thing is heavy, man. Let's put this box aside for now. Let's take a look what we have under there. So we got our power cable, and next we have our power brick, and there's a little logo, Alienware. And what do we have over here? It's an Ethernet adapter. This is USB Type-C, and then you can plug in your Ethernet cable in here. Under here, nothing. Let's put that aside. Now let's take a look at this bad boy. Let's open it. Here we go. I don't need that. Look at this. Man, this box feels different too. So you can feel all these textures on the box. It's very nice, man. And shall we open it? I say we shall. Oh, look at this. Nice. It's like opening a legendary book. So let's take it out. Dun, 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 dun. Look at this. 15. Oh, there's something else under. This shall be the menu. Thank you for purchasing Alienware and all that. The stickers. And then we have warranty cards, and as well as a user manual. And let's put aside this box for now. I'll just have it slide out like so. And the first impression is a beauty. I mean, the finishing is not like the Asus stuff, but this one is it's still nice. You can feel the texture of this 15. All this, you can feel it. And I suppose this Alienware head can be light up. It feels very good quality. It's very sturdy, very solid. I like the color. It's a lunar white, just like Alienware R12 and R11. So let's take a look at the exterior. So on the back of your display, you got your 15 and as well as the Alienware head, which can be lit up and you can change every color you want to. So on the left side of the laptop, there's nothing really going on here, not even the USB port, but we do have a outtake fan and then as well as the power port. So on the right side, it's about the same as the left. We don't have any port. We only have an outtake fan as well as a audio port. So it will give you this slim look, very clean and neat. And you may wonder, where are all the ports go, right? They are all at the back. We have a USB port here and another USB Type-C and your SD card slot and another USB Type-C and then HDMI. And this is really not enough, man. I wish they have more ports than this. And on the both sides, we have another 2 outtake. So we got air out from here, also from here. And also another cool things for the back is this ring around the laptop can be light up too. And you can change out the color in Alienware Command Center. At the back of the laptop, we have a lot of intake and the air can be sucked in from all these vents and all these vents. And now guys, as usual, let's open the back cover and take a look what we really got for that much money we pay. Pop it open and slide out like this. Let's take a look at what we have in there. Okay guys, so this is how it looks inside this X15. The first thing that got in my eye is this huge battery. And next are these 4 fans, 2 on the right and 2 on the left. But I don't see the CPU, I don't see the GPU, I don't see the RAM. So I guess the CPU and GPU is behind the motherboard, I mean on top of the motherboard. There's no way that we can upgrade the RAM in this system. So make sure to order enough RAM when you build this laptop. And I don't know if you guys can see it from this little gap through the motherboard, we can see 2 or 3 heat pipes. And here are our 2 SSD slots. One, it comes with the laptop, and here's another one that we can upgrade. And here's our Wi-Fi card. And then I guess this is our speakers. One on the right, another one on the left. So there's not much we can really do to upgrade this laptop. So good job, Dale. Good job. But if you don't plan to upgrade it, I say this is pretty well built. It's very solid. So now let's put back the cover and open the lid. See what we got in there. Okay guys, so now let's open the lid for the first time. Dun, 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 dun. And I don't need that. And right after I open it, my first impression is very Alienware. There's no element that is not necessary or extra on here. And this touchpad feels really good. Very smooth. And then we got our little Alienware head over here, which is our power button. And also we got our webcam. And the keyboard is also RGB. And then you can program it in Alienware Command Center of lots of color that you can choose from. And I think here are more outtake vents, so the airflow can go out this way. And here are more in gap of the monitor. I wish they can move the keyboard a little bit up, so we got more space over here that can have our hands on. Like right now, if I put my hands on WASD, 1/3 of my hand it's out of the dock. And then we don't have the number pad, but for a gaming laptop like this, I don't think you care about the number pad anyway. And the build quality of this lid is pretty well too. I really like the strength of this lid. It's tight, but it's not too tight. And the weight of the laptop is very good that you don't have to hold it while adjusting the angle of your monitor. It's pretty strong. You can't bend it. I don't think you want it to. And now guys, let me connect the power and boot it up for the first time. Okay guys, now let us boot up for the first time. Ding, 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 ding. Ooh, look those RGB lining keyboard. And guys, I do wish they have those secondary key with RGB, but seems like not. The touchpad is not lighting up yet, and as well as the logo. The Alienware head is lighting up, and on the back of the laptop, you had the ring effect, RGB all the way, and as well as the Alienware head. Oh, also I noticed something. That little ring on the power cable is also lighted up. Alright guys, let me set up the laptop and then we run some game on it. So after the setup, the first thing I did is to check the refresh rate, which is right here, 360 Hz. And the second thing I did was going to the Alienware Command Center. It disappointed me because we can't actually change the touchpad nor the Alienware. But after that, guys, you know what? Forget about the touchpad. What I found out is that we can actually customize each key on the keyboard. So your keyboard will be something like this. Alright guys, let's get some game running. And I haven't played this game for a while, the Days Gone. And let's use it to test our performance of the Alienware X15. And I don't know if you guys can hear it now. The noise is kind of loud, and I didn't even play it yet. It's just in the loading screen, you know, our menu screen, okay? Let me give you a feel of the noise level. I'm gonna put my microphone on top of the X15. Let's get into the game and see how it goes. So Days Gone, PC, everything on very high, and we are getting above 120 FPS, and the temperature is okay. It's managed to get around 70 to 75. This thing is loud. It's like a freaking Blu-ray. Let me give you guys another view. If you play games on this laptop and without the headsets, this is considered very loud. It's louder than the Asus TUF Gaming 15-inch that we reviewed earlier. But the temperature is better though, and we are getting 70s. I say that it's pretty good, and if you can get a nice cooling pad under it, it might do better. I'll just go ahead and hold it to the air so we can have a better look if the temperature can go down. Oh, 69, there we go. So if you want to have a better temperature, you better get a cooling pad under the laptop. So it's still getting low, you see, 68, 69, 68. And guys, I have a few very good cooling pad in the description below. So if you need any, feel free to check that out. And let's try another game. Okay guys, so now let's play some Fortnite. And as you guys can see, we're getting 150, 170 with everything on Epic. It's pretty hard to push it to 360, but let's try to put down all the settings, see if we can get 360. And look at that FPS, guys. Everything on low, we are getting about 300 FPS. Nah, that's how you play FPS game, right? But the graphic looks terrible. Let's bring it out. And I consider this is pretty good. And the temperature is okay, 70-ish. But one thing I don't like is the noise level, guys. And let me show you how loud it is in Fortnite as well. I'm telling you, this thing is loud. But overall, guys, this is a really nice 15-inch laptop, both for gaming or working or just daily project. If you don't go that crazy, you should be fine. And don't forget to get your cooling pad for laptops. It will help your temperature and also the noise level. And thank you for watching. If you like the video, make sure to leave a like. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more videos like this. And other than that, as always, please be safe out there, and I'll see you in the next videos. Peace out. Look at this. Beautiful, huh? I'm afraid of cut my fingers, so okay.